Hey, Stats. Students, we are in our last unit or last section on probability. We're going to be talking about conditional probability. And conditional probability basically means the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. So let's just be reminded what these things mean. This line means given that. So this is the probability of A, given that B has already occurred. And here's, we're going to be using a table, but here's our formula today. Remember, this is the intersection or the and. So let's see, the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already happened. So we are going to be looking at tables, our two-way tables, to figure out how to look at conditional probability. And hopefully visualizing it in the table will make it a little bit more, I don't know, easier for us to understand or just better for us to see. So in a class of 27 students, 13 have a cat. So we have 27, 13 have a cat, and 6 have a dog. There are 12 students who do not have a cat or a dog. What is the probability that a student has a cat given they do not have a dog? So first step here is to fill out the table. So let's see, in a class of 27 students, that's our total number of students, 27. 13 have a cat. So 13 have a cat goes here, and 6 have a dog. So 6 goes here. And there are 12 students who do not have a cat or a dog. So no dog, no cat, that's 12. Now let's finish filling out the rest of the table just by using our subtraction and addition skills. This is going to be 4 and 2 and 9, 21, and 14. So let's look at the next step. The next step is to highlight the given row or column. So I'm going to use my highlighter here, and this is given that they do not have a dog. So that's the row or column that I'm going to highlight. So let's see, it's the no dog. So this is what I'm looking at specifically here. And now let's create our proportion. So find the probability. So what is the probability that a student has a cat? So in our no dog row, we're looking for has a cat. That's 9. And then the total in this row here is 21. So 9 out of 21 students have a cat given that they do not have a dog. All right, so 9 out of 21. Let's elevate a little bit. Be a little bit more difficult here. The table below gives the counts in thousands of earned degrees in the United States in a recent year, classified by level and by the gender of the degree recipient. So let's look at this. We have female, male, total, bachelor's, master's, professional, doctoral, and total. So we have our total columns. Everything's already filled out, so we don't have to fill out the column. Let's go to step 2. It says highlight the given row or column. So what is the probability someone earned a master's degree given that they are female? So given that they are female is the given. So I'm going to find my female, and this is a row. So I'm going to highlight this row here. So what's the probability that someone earned a master's degree given that they are female? So earned a master's degree was 579 divided by the total number in this female row is 1385. And if you plug this into your calculator, it's about 4.42 or 42%. All right, so not too bad. Let's look at the next question. What is the probability that a given doctor is male? Written a little bit differently, but that's okay. The given is the doctor part, so given doctor. So our doctor, it's actually a column, not a row this time. is here, and we want the probability to be a male. So male in our doctor column is 50, and our total doctoral candidates or doctoral degrees is 124. So if we put that in our calculator, we get 0.40. So about 40% of the doctoral, or the people who have doctoral degrees are male. Interesting. All right, if you flip it to the back, you're going to go ahead and get 2 problems from me, and you're going to try the questions below and then check your answers. So please make sure that you check your notes with me and then come and get your try it questions.